It's like there's a switch in my brain. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of emotion. Right now, the switch is toggled off. I love my mother. I love my father. They are wholesome. They are the best parents. They love me unconditionally. Then the switch gets flipped on. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of emotion. They're sadistic persecutors. They're nefarious. They're monsters behind their masks. They want to hurt me. They want me to experience pain and suffering. Then the switch gets flipped off. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of emotion. I'm like, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy. We have a great relationship again. We're getting along harmoniously. Can you make me dinner? I'm a sweetheart. You're sweethearts. We love one another. But then they start yelling at me, telling me how burdensome I am, how I'm a monster, and the switch gets flipped on. The toggle switch of delusion, the toggle switch of emotion. They're sadistic monsters. They're like nefarious serial killers. They're sadistic. They want to hurt me. They want me dead. You know, when your mind toggles from your parents love you to they want to kill you back to they love you, it's going to ruin meaningful relationships. People aren't going to understand the way your mind works. So the key is to toggle the emotional switch to off 100% of the time. Don't go into an emotional tsunami. Calm my emotions. Don't let my mind go haywire. The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of emotion. You know, a tsunami can level a city when the switch is flipped on, you know. So don't let the tsunami destroy a city. And calm my emotions. And toggle the switch to off. Toggle the switch to off. Be happy, chipper, lovey-dovey, Andrew. Be the sweetest person on planet Earth.